Video I'm going to tell you how to create a Shopify store in 2022. Now that you have decided to take your business online at Shopify, you can set up your e-commerce store that covers anything. Building your online marketplace from scratch to constructing a social media store to solution with shipping, payment and more. Once you have your goods, your suppliers, and you have decided on an e-commerce marketing strategy for your product, you have to find the best possible way to market them. However, you cannot just start selling, you require a store to begin with. How to create a Shopify store? When it is unknown While it is a known fact that setting up a Shopify store often is extremely time consuming and involves multiple extensive processes, the reason why Shopify has gained immense popularity as an e-commerce platform is its easy usability. Step 1. Create your account on Shopify store. Visit the Shopify homepage. Depending on your geographical location, you will be redirected to your local edition of Shopify.com, where you will see the option to begin your free trial. Click on the icon found on the top right corner of your web page. Next, you will be prompted to fill in some basic details, following which you will have the option of creating a store name. Step 2. Provide more details about your Shopify store. In addition to providing personal contact information, Shopify will also ask you to provide information about your businesses. Fill in the fields requesting information about your business's revenue, state what your goal from your Shopify store is, and billing details. Customize your Shopify store. The administrator page on Shopify has all the details you will need to get your online marketplace started. Here you will have the ability to add items to your marketplace, whether individually or in mass. You can also add services, files, and any items that might be available for digital download. Choose how you want Shopify store to look. The aesthetic of your store should reflect not only your product but your ethos, your style, and more. You would pay close attention to the interiors of any brick and mortar store you set up to maximize customer footfall. So, why should your virtual store be any different? On Shopify, start by choosing a basic theme from one of the many on offer for virtual storefronts and then customize those further to suit your brand design and look. Further, customize your Shopify store's layout. There are over 100 themes available on the Shopify store theme, many of them for free. This is particularly useful for businesses that are just starting out and may not necessarily have the budget for the more premium themes. There are modifiable themes available under both the free